Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, we're seeing the SPX under some selling pressure here today, and with that, we're seeing the VIX cash up. Now, I do want to point out, though, we are seeing the SPX basically at the lows of the day this afternoon, and the VIX cash well off the highs. We did see a high of 23.71 in the VIX cash this morning, now currently right around 22.50. So it does appear that the VIX cash levels are discounting a little bit of this price movement in the SPX. Looking at realized volatility, I want to point that out. 30-day realized volatility trending lower once again this week, down to 12.5. With implied volatility holding around 22.5, that's a $10 dispersion between realized and implied volatility. So I would expect that you would have to see a pickup in realized volatility here in the next few weeks if we're going to see the VIX cash maintain these levels. I know the market's very focused on some of the events in January that could definitely impact the vol structure, but to this point, the market certainly is not realizing a significant amount of volatility. Looking at the roll market, that's basically about $1.45. We are seeing the futures shift higher today, but the roll market pretty much in line. I think it's in about 10 cents today. And when you look at the curve, it's still very flat from March through July, with those futures hovering right around the 26.20 level. VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, 111.5, up today, but trending lower throughout the week. Now, we did see quite a spike on Monday up to 127.5 level. So we are seeing the VVIX well off the highs of the week. And when you look at the activity, out of the money call activity in both January and February, highlighted by a call spread, well, a put spread call spread that traded in February, with the February 50 calls and the February 19 puts went up 25,000 times. We're also seeing some back spreading in March out of the money calls. Looking at today, I want to point out quadruple expiration will be the focus as we move into a holiday shortened week next week. Certainly the negotiations between the stimulus and the budget are highlighted, continue to be highlighted, the concerns about those. Couple that with the data points coming out next week, highlighted by personal income and spending. And just the general market momentum, again, is something else the market is certainly focused on as we continue to see vol expectations remain elevated based on the price movement.